fraught with confusion. One man will break his silence.
Hello, I'm Paul Duncan, also known as Mr. Moderator. Before we get started today, I'd like to remind you to press that like, subscribe, and ring that little bell. That way you won't miss out on any of the episodes that we're doing this month on moderating. And also feel free to share this series with any of your friends that might be content creators or moderators to help them out too. And with that, let's get started with today's topic. So the question came up of, can you have a moderator on Instagram? So some friends of mine decided to look into this. So I reached out to Valerie, a friend of mine, to have her help me with this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you two different variations. In the first section, I'm going to show you what it looks like for me streaming on Instagram and granting Valerie the option to become a moderator for my stream. Now you can only have one moderator on an Instagram, so just keep that in mind. But you can have moderators. They have some control. They don't have a lot of power or a lot of variety of power, but they do have some. So let's jump right into the first one. So this is me streaming, and I have decided to make Valerie a moderator. So I've clicked on the three dots to the right of the comment section, and a window will pop up, and one of the options is add a moderator. So what I will do on that is I click that, and it's going to open up another window that's going to give me an option of who to make the moderator. So in this case, the window popped up, and I can either type a name up here, or if I have names showing up, I can click on one of them. So in this case, I'm going to make Valerie a moderator. So I'm going to click on the add button. Once I click that add button, then it's going to jump another screen that pops up, and it's going to tell me if I want to add Valerie as a moderator. And it's going to tell me a little bit about, the fact that she can remove comments or remove people from the session altogether. And then it's also going to remind me to the fact that I can only have one moderator. Now, when I click confirm, Valerie is going to get this message on her screen telling her that I've decided to make her a moderator and asking her if she will accept it. Once she clicks OK, she is now going to be made a moderator. So that's what it looks like from my side as a streamer. Now what I want to do is show you where Valerie is the Instagram streamer, and she's going to make me a moderator. And then I'm going to show you the options as a moderator that you have and things that you can do. Now, another friend of ours, Elaine, is coming into the session, and she is one of the commenters. And in the process, I am going to remove her from the stream and show you what that looks like and what happens there. So let's jump into this one. Valerie is streaming, and she's decided to make me a moderator, and I get the option, the pop-up saying that Valerie has chosen me to be a moderator, and I click OK to accept. So once I clicked OK, now we have comments coming in. So as you can see over here in the comment section, Elaine has started making a comment. She's chatting in and talking and all that stuff. And then I now have a series of options. I can report the comment, which will send a notice to Instagram about it. I can remove her completely from the live stream, or I can turn off her ability to comment. So if I report the comment to Instagram, that's going to remove it from the group, but it's also, again, going to report it to Instagram as a bad comment. So be very careful with that. There is no clear remove a comment from the stream directly. So the other option is I can remove her completely from the live stream. Click it and she's out. And then the other one is I can turn off her ability to comment. She can watch, but she just can't make any further comments. Or I can send a reply to Elaine. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you where I have now clicked on Elaine's comment and said remove it. And now I'm getting this confirmation that says, do I really want to remove this comment? And if I click confirm, Elaine has been dumped from the session. And this is what Elaine sees. all she's going to do is get a message that says the live video has ended. She's not going to be told that she's been kicked out. She's not going to get anything like this. The stream is just going to abruptly end for her, and that's going to be it. Now, if she tries to rejoin this stream or go back in and rejoin, it's not going to let her. She is completely blocked from this stream. Now, when this stream is over and Valerie does another one, then Elaine can join back in with no problem. But she cannot come back into the current stream. So as you can see, as a moderator, you have limited capabilities. And as an Instagram streamer, you can only have one moderator. So I hope that's answered the question today. And as always, if you have any questions, you want me to go into detail on anything, you don't quite understand something, you want me to discuss it a little bit more, or you have a topic that you want me to talk about, please put it in the comments below, and I'll be sure to talk about it in one of the future episodes. And with that, I want to thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you tomorrow.